Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Social Pie. I am Ayan Khan and today in this video we are going to solve a question that is integral of 3t plus t square into sine of 2t dt. Okay, so this is the question. So let's see how to solve it. So for solving this question we will use integration by part technique. Okay, so we will let our u is equals to 3t plus t square, okay, and our dv is equals to sine of 2t, like this. Now differentiate this, we get du is equals to 3 plus 2t, like this, and integrate this, we get v is equals to sine of x, that's negative cosine x, but we have 2t as an input, so we'll apply negative chain rule and we'll get negative 1 by 2 sine cosine of 2t, like this. Now multiply u into v for the first part of the answer. Okay, so we get negative 1 by 2 into 3t plus t square into cosine of 2t, like this. For the second part of the answer we'll get minus integral of du into v. Okay, so we get negative 1 by 2 cosine 2t into 3 plus 2t dt, like this. Now applying linearity, we have negative 1 by 2, so we can just factor it out, so we get negative 1 by 2, the same part 3t plus t square into cosine of 2t minus into minus, that's a positive 1 by 2 into integral of cosine of 2t into 3 plus 2t dt, like this. Okay, we have something like the original question, right? This one is like the original question. So for solving this one we can again use integration by part technique. Okay, so we will let our w is equals to 3 plus 2t and dz is equals to cosine 2t. Differentiate this, we get dw is equals to 3. Okay, 3 becomes 0, so it is 0, and we have 2t, this will be 2 2 here. Okay, and we have dt with us, so this is dt. Now integrate this, we get z is equals to 1 by 2 sine of 2t, because integral of cosine 2t is just sine x, cosine x is sine x, and we apply the inverse chain rule. Okay, so multiply w into z for the first part of the answer, and remember we still have this part. Okay, we will just keep it aside and we multiply w into z, so we get 1 by 2 into 3 plus 2t sine 2t, and we subtract minus integral of dw into z. Okay, so 2 into 1 by 2, that's 1, and we have sine of 2t, so this is sine of 2t dt, like this. Now if we integrate integral of sine of 2t, okay, we have done it already here. Okay, so this will be negative 1 by 2 cosine of 2t. Okay, and since we have a negative already outside, if we write the whole answer, we have first this part, so we write negative 1 by 2 3t plus t square into cosine of 2t. Then we have plus 1 by 2 into the other part, we have 1 by 2 3t 3 plus 2t into sine of 2t. Then we have negative into negative 1 by 2 into cosine of 2t. Okay, so this is the whole answer. Now if we simplify this, we get, starting from here, we get negative 1 by 2 into 3t plus t square, okay, into cosine of 2t plus, okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that's a 1 by 4. So this will be 1 by 4, and this part, so this is 3t 3 plus 2t into sine of 2t, and 1 by 2 into minus, so we'll get minus 1 by 2, but minus into minus, that's a positive, so this will be positive 1 by 4 of cosine 2t, like this. Okay, and don't forget to add plus c, so we get, so this is our answer. Okay, negative 1 by 2 into 3t plus t square into cosine of 2t plus 1 by 4 3 plus 2t into sine of 2t plus 1 by 4 into cosine of 2t plus c. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.